Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. And this is the 8 top, 8 bottom teeth that you're looking at, and it is gold plated over 925 sterling silver. You can see the design on it, which is diamond dust with diamond cuts. Beautiful grill set, guys. It's handmade for a perfect fit. Gonna move over to the sunlight so you can see a little bit of the shine. So here's on the sunlight, you can really see it sparkle nice. Check that out. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Quality handmade work. Check us out, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.